Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can download offline maps. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to do the following activities by yourself. Before moving on to the video, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now let's move straight into the video. To download the offline maps, you have to have Google Maps on your device first, which can be downloaded through App Store. Open the Google Maps. Now here the map is shown. To download the offline map, on the top right side you can see your profile or your photo which is used as profile picture. Tap on it. On the fifth option you can see offline maps. Tap on it. Now tap on select your own map. Now when you select this part, when you select the part of Kathmandu, every place of the Kathmandu is been downloading. No matter where the place is, no matter in what the place you are in or what the place in Kathmandu you want to search, when you download this part, whatever is in between or inside this map, it will be downloaded. Now to download, tap on the download which is on the bottom right side. Now let the downloading complete. If you don't want to continue downloading, you can tap on delete. Now it has been downloaded, so to see the downloaded maps you can tap on map 2, then tap on it, then the map of Kathmandu will be seen here. Now even if the Wi-Fi is off and location is on, you can see the maps. And that is all. That is how we can see the map of the Kathmandu Valley that you have saved here. Thank you so much for watching till the end. That is all for today. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.